Right then, so today I've got with me Jonathan Oram. So you're our head of services.
That's correct, yes.
Okay, so that covers a number of sort of frameworks, but we're going to talk about what we call our professional services, but it's actually got a funkier name, hasn't it? What's its actual name?
So it's the National Framework for the Provision of Professional Services for Construction and Premises.
Okay, but we call it just professional services.
Yes.
Call it professional, right? Okay. So let's start by just give me an outline of the structure of the framework, please.
Okay, so the framework itself is a fully PCR compliant framework. We followed all the regulations so that the public sector are able to access it and be able to procure compliantly through that. So that's one bit, and then the structure itself is it's for the provision of professional services, the likes of architects, project managers, etc. And it's built around 19 lots within the framework.
So there's 19 different
different lots in there,
lots,
and
yeah.
the key one is lot one, which is our multidisciplinary service, which we confirm as the complete service solution. They're able to provide all of the services across the whole of the framework. And the other services are single discipline services, things like architectural design services, project management, quantity surveying, cost management, civils and structures, and the whole raft of other aspects there.
So there's the multidisciplinary lot, which is so as you call it, it's one-stop solution.
Yep.
And then there's 18 other lots which
That's
cover
correct, yep.
the whole sort of gamut of
Yes.
stuff. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Is there any sort of value limits on any of the work?
So no, the joy of this one, we haven't value banded this framework, so you can appoint an organisation to do £1,000 worth of work, or you can appoint them to do £1 million worth of work or more. There is no upper or lower limit on either the further competitions or direct awards, which we'll discuss a bit later. The other thing to note is that within each of the lots, they are regional as well. Right. So we've broken it up into 7 geographical areas, I should say. We have Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales, and then we've broken England down into the North, the Midlands, the Southwest, and London and the Southeast as a whole area as well. And each of those different areas have a maximum of 6 organisations appointed, and they may have differing price rates and day rates depending on which region is being utilised.
So the suppliers, when you constructed the framework, sort of submitted their discipline and where they wanted to operate.
Correct, yes.
And there may be some sort of difference in that, due to local factors, etc.
Yep.
That's okay.